In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable way to get GTA San Andreas through Steam, step by step. First, open Steam. You can use either the Steam desktop app or the Steam website. Once Steam loads, move to the top of the screen and click the search box. Now type GTA into the search box. Then click the search icon. You'll see several Grand Theft Auto games appear in the results. Scroll through the list until you find Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the definitive edition. Once you find it, click on the game. Because this is a mature-rated game, Steam may ask you to verify your age. Simply select your date of birth. Then click View Page. You'll now be taken to the game store page. One thing to note is that GTA San Andreas is included in Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the definitive edition. This bundle also includes GTA 3 and GTA Vice City. To continue, move to the Purchase section and click the green Add to Cart button. This will add the game bundle to your shopping cart. Next, Steam will ask how you'd like to purchase it. If you're buying it for yourself, click Purchase for Myself. If you're buying it for someone else, you can choose the gift option instead. You need to choose a payment method. The available options may vary depending on your country. You may see options such as PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Steam, Wallet, other local payment methods. Select your preferred payment method. Then click Continue. Enter your payment details and complete the checkout process. Once the purchase is complete, move to the top of Steam and click Library. On the left side panel, you'll see your games list. Locate GTA San Andreas or the GTA Trilogy. Now click the game in your library. If this is your first time installing it, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click Install. Then follow the installation prompts. After the installation finishes, the Install button will change to a Play button. Simply click Play, and GTA San Andreas will launch on your PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next